Yes. I actually was born on this street here, a few houses down, and I grew up over here where we're walking to. All of this was trailers, were houses. This was a store. This was the neighborhood laundromat. This is where people paid their bills. It used to be, we call it Soundways. It used to be a video store.
We're just trying to get what we can out of the rubble. It's pretty shocking. Very sad. It's very sad. But everybody's coming together and helping, and it's just great.
I want to personally thank President Biden and his team for very quickly signing the emergency declaration that we sent up on yesterday. Obviously, the resources that the people here in Rolling Fork and throughout Mississippi need, the help is on the way. And I think that's critically important.
All of those trucks right there.